Hi, when you apply the corner radius modifier in SwiftUI, the roundness will be applied to all the corners, like you see here. What about drawing rectangles with different corner radius, like what you see here in Facebook Messenger? In this video, that is what we will look into using a simple extension. We will use the background of the compose area to illustrate how to draw different corner radius for the rectangle. I created the compose area in the file compose area view. So we have a text field. So after the background, let's add the corner radius modifier and set it to, for example, 20. And that is applied to all the corners of the rectangle. To round the corners separately, we are going to use a simple extension from Stack Overflow. So let's go to the browser. In this Stack Overflow question, round specific corners SwiftUI, it has a demo illustrating how it works. So we are going to use one of the answers. It uses this extension and extract. So let's copy the extension and open the Xcode project again. We will add another file and call this file extension. Let's paste the code we copied from the Stack Overflow answer and then go back again. We also need to copy the struct. You can see we have all these errors. To make them disappear, we will import SwiftUI. So in the view extension, we have a function corner radius that takes the radius and corners of the rectangle and returns a masked version of the rectangle depending on the radius and corners you specify. Next, we have a struct, rounded corner, that conforms to the shape protocol. Inside that, we define the radius and corners. Then we create a function called path that takes the rectangle as a parameter and return a path. So let's go to the compose area view again and add the corner radius modifier. For now, we have the option radius and corner. I'll press enter. Let's set the radius to, for example, 20. The value of the corners parameter is an array. So let's put an array here. Since we have an empty array, you can see the corners are not rounded. So let's specify the specific corners we want the roundness to apply to. For example, we can set it to the top right. And now only the top right is rounded. To round the other corners, we bring comma and then we specify the corner which we want the roundness to take effect. Let's put, for example, bottom left. So as you can see, only the bottom left and top right are rounded. We can also add the other sides as well. But if we want to use different radius for the other sides, we can copy this corner radius modifier and paste it below. For example, we want to round this to something like 6. Then we change the parameters to, for example, bottom right. We now have the bottom right rounded to a radius of 6. Let's change the other one, the top left. And that has also rounded to 6. And this is how you can draw shapes with different corner radius here inside SwiftUI using a simple extension. Thanks for watching this video.